The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a flash flood warning for New Hanover County in southeastern North Carolina, south central Pender County in southeastern North Carolina, until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:03 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain across the warned area. Almost 4 inches of rain has fallen so far, with almost 3 inches having fallen in the last hour. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Wilmington, Wrightsville Beach, Figure 8 Island, Mayfair, Hyattsville, Cape Fear Community College North Campus, Wrightsboro, Wilmington International Airport, Murrayville, Castle Hayne, Windermere, Bayshore, Scotts Hill, Ogden, Porter's Neck, Landfall, Kings Grant, Seagate and Cape Fear Hospital. Additional rainfall is expected in the warned area. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Never drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the road. Floodwaters are usually deeper than they appear. Flowing water may be powerful enough to sweep vehicles off the road. A flash flood warning means that dangerous flooding is imminent or occurring. Residents within the warned area should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for western Pender County in southeastern North Carolina, eastern Bladen County in southeastern North Carolina, until 1 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a confirmed tornado was located over Long Creek, or 8 miles south of Burgaw, moving northwest at 45 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: Emergency Management confirmed tornado. Tornado damage has been confirmed from Porter's Neck to Rocky Point with this storm. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Malpas Corner, Curry and the Borough around 12:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Ward's Corner. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a tornado warning for Wilson County in central North Carolina until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:01 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 8 miles northwest of Farmville, moving west at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Wilson, Kenly, Lucama, Stantonsburg, Black Creek, Saratoga and Buckhorn Reservoir. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A tornado warning remains in effect until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for southern Wilson County. At 4:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a confirmed tornado was located near Wilson, or 15 miles west of Farmville, moving west at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: radar confirmed tornado. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Wilson, Kenly, Lucama, Stantonsburg, Black Creek, Saratoga and Buckhorn Reservoir. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a tornado warning for west central Perquimans County in northeastern North Carolina, northeastern Bertie County in northeastern North Carolina, southeastern Hertford County in northeastern North Carolina, west central Chowan County in northeastern North Carolina, until 1:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:49 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a tornado-producing storm was located near Belvedere, or near Rillen, moving west at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: radar confirmed tornado. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic storm will be near Tyner around 12:55 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Rocky Hook around 1 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Coleraine around 1:10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Goose Pond, Icaria, Smalls Crossroads, Beach Springs, Newsome Store, Maviden, Arrowhead Beach, Cisco, Mill Crossroads and Center Hill. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield VA. Flash flood emergency for Outer Banks, Hyde, and Dare counties. The National Weather Service in Newport has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Hyde County in eastern North Carolina, southeastern Dare County in eastern North Carolina until noon Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:01 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, local law enforcement reported rapid water level rises on the eastern portion of the Pamlico Sound resulting from Hurricane Dorian. The rapid water levels are reported at historic levels in Ocracoke, and water levels are expected to rapidly rise in Hatteras and the rest of Outer Banks Hyde County over the next hour. Now is the time to seek a higher level of your home if vulnerable to this flooding. This is a flash flood emergency for Outer Banks, Hyde, and Dare counties. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher levels of your home immediately. Some locations that will experience flooding include Frisco, Buxton, Salvo, Avon, Waves, Rodanthe, Hatteras Island, Fishing Pier, Hatteras Ferry Terminal, Ocracoke Ferry Terminal, Ocracoke Lighthouse, Avon Pier and Cape Hatteras Lighthouse. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Do not attempt to travel unless you are fleeing an area subject to flooding or under an evacuation order. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Please report flooding to your local law enforcement agency when you can do so safely.